Okay. It's Buttons Soap
Welcome from sunny Canada.
Canadia.
Yeah, a man on a plane said that once. He said, I said, where are you off to? He goes, oh, I'm off to sunny Canada.
Sunny Canadia. No, it's not very well. It is actually very sunny here.
Yeah.
In Canada, northern Ontario, but it's cold.
Here we go, light time again. Paddle, paddle, paddle.
Lye solution into the oils. What do you call it? Paddle, paddle.
Paddle, paddle.
Stir, stir, mix thoroughly. Scrape the sides and the bottom. So what is this? Oh, what's?
You see, wizzy, wizzy, let's get busy.
There it is. I was waiting for you to say that.
It's been more than funny words you come up with. You stays in your head.
Yes. Gracie, are you snorkeling over there?
Yeah, we have two dogs here, Yorkshire Terrier and a Shih Tzu, and Grace likes to make funny noises.
George and Gracie. No, it's not us. George and Gracie. And Gracie has very tiny nostrils, so she goes. Right, Gracie?
Now this soap, a button soap, yes, I remember you doing the buttons for this, and they came out really well.
Again, I made about 350,000 buttons,
yeah.
And I have about 347,099 of them left.
Yeah, Sweet Pea going in there.
Sweet Pea reminds me of, like, you know, Popeye and Olive. What's her name? What was her name?
Olive oil. Yeah.
Olive oil and Sweet Pea, the baby, right?
Yeah, I used to love Popeye. Yeah, great.
And these buttons just reminded me of like babies. I don't know.
Well, yeah, they turned out really, really well.
They did. They look like real buttons. Made them out of glycerin melt and pour. I think I got that mold on Amazon too.
Yeah.
Gotta love Amazon. Find anything on there. I mean, really. You think of it, you can probably find it.
Oh, you can get anything on there, yeah.
Oh, look at the colors. It's all about babies. Pink, blue, yellow, green. Did I make this? I just recently found out I'm going to be a grandmother for the first time.
Yay.
A G-Ma.
G-Ma.
And you're going to be a G-Pa.
G-Pa.
And I think that's what inspired me to make the soap. Don't know the gender yet.
It's all a mystery. I think it's going to be a girl anyway.
I feel a girl too now. And the name they've picked out for a girl is Parker.
Yeah, Parker.
So cute.
Look at that, what an expert, eh? Get a gold medal for that, 4 at once.
Yeah. I don't know why. I can never decide how much I want to put in these little containers.
And that yellow is really bright.
It tones down quite a bit. You'll see. And then the green. What color is it now? I think it's the green. Always looks funny after you add the fragrance oil.
When it dries, it's bright, isn't it?
But when it cures, it comes back to green. Well, a nice green. See how much of that batter is left on the sides and the bottom that wasn't colored? That's why you gotta scrape the bowl.
Round and round the garden like a teddy bear.
No, not today. Sorry.
Not today.
You can say it if you want to. I must be doing a drop swirl, I'm guessing. I can't remember.
I think it's going to be 3 layers, isn't it? Or is it 4 layers?
It's a drop swirl.
Ooh,
so it's just kind of like all, you know, dropped in there into the white. Now watch the green change. It's no longer pastel. It's coming up.
Come a long way out from a plain bar of soap, eh?
You see the color of the green now looks like, what does it look like? It looks like baby puke.
Ew, no.
But it came back to a nice pastel green. It really did. Isn't that just so hypnotizing?
Yeah, it makes me want to fall asleep.
Wake up.
It's fucking just amazing.
You are ridiculous. Now we have to do every color again. Okay.
Ooh, look at that. You kind of have to imagine how this is going to turn out.
We should probably not stare at it because we're getting hypnotized and then we're forgetting to talk.
Yeah.
It's hard though because it's like you just want to. That looks like mustard right now, but it comes back to a nice pastel.
Yeah. It's just a reaction, isn't it, from the fragrance?
Yeah, exactly. It's really hard not to just sit there and stare though. Like, somebody wake us up.
I still want to put my face in it.
Yeah. But don't. Do not put your face in soap.
Not recommended.
No. Very highly unrecommended.
No, what I was saying before, like, sure you remember years ago, just got the average boring bar of soap. Now it's such an art form and so good for your skin and full of the right things, you know.
If you can think it, you can make it. The green looks terrible right now.
And the yellow looks mustard, but it
does come back.
Uniform the colour eventually, doesn't it?
Yeah. Whoa! What happened there? That was a splat.
Yeah, good at these sound effects.
Yes, you are good at sound effects. You make them all day.
Oh yeah. Terrible for walking around and repeating myself saying silly things.
Yeah, well you have ADHD.
Do I?
I think so.
Well, I mean...
It's okay, I've got
whatever.
some issues. Whatever.
I like me.
Whatever.
Me like me.
What?
Me like me. I like me. Me like me.
You're okay, I'm okay.
And there is the piping
bag.
materials.
Oh, that looks good, eh? We have to buy Greek yogurt next time we shop, though. Seriously.
Yeah, we've got to have Greek yogurt.
I haven't had that in a long time.
Yeah.
It's not very much piping. I can't remember what I did. It must be just one layer this time.
Yeah. Now this is where I start thinking, oh, Mummy, I could do with some cake.
Here we go with the cake again. And what do you call those?
I don't know.
Those little dollops. You call them something different.
Ice gems.
No,
Peaks.
before. No.
Flowers.
No. About 4 videos ago when we were still awake.
I can't remember.
No, I can't remember either. It was another new word I learned.
Swirls?
No. It's a British thing. Whatever it is. They'll see it in another video and then they'll know what I'm talking about.
Ice gems.
No, before that video.
Oh, God.
How many videos do we narrate today?
Quite a few.
Let's just do 10 at a time and get it over with. That looks pretty good though, eh?
Yeah. It reminds me of
cake?
coconut.
Coconut
cake.
Coconut.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Look at them buttons. That'd be fantastic.
I didn't make too many buttons there. As if that's going to fit on there.
They turned out really, really good.
Yeah, except the yellow looks orange on this, but really it's yellow.
Light skin contrast, I think, does that.
Can I just tell you what I did to this soap that destroyed me? I put the sugar sprinkles on after the buttons instead of before. and I got sugar sprinkles all in the buttons, and I had to clean out every button after. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. Cute buttons though. Just squishing them right in there. So many buttons left. See those? That's sugar, right?
Yeah.
All 4 colors. I color it myself with mica and pigments, and then I pour it on top instead of. I should have done it before I put the buttons on, right? And now there's like gonna be sugar in the buttons. See what I mean?
Yeah.
That's a lot of sugar. So I had to clean all the buttons out. It really took a while. And suddenly it's the next day. Watch this. See that?
Yeah. Oh wow, yeah, I see how it's the colours have come out now.
That was a quick sleep, eh? Yeah. No, the colors are still a bit weird here, but over a couple of weeks I think it took. The colors came back.
Oh, that's turned out really well.
I like it.
It's hard to visualise
I like
sometimes how it's going to look when you've got swirly paint everywhere.
Paint. It's not paint.
It might be paint.
You can't put paint in soap.
We don't need painting.
Yeah.
Vibrant and bright with colour.
Doesn't that look babyish? I love it.
Well, it looks.
It smells babyish too. I love sweet pea.
Yeah. Lots of nice slices.
Really pretty scent. Do you know what it smells like? Guess.
Sweet pea.
Yeah, yes.
Hey.
There you go.
Absolutely perfect.
Thank you. Last bar. There they are. That's before the green comes back. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you like this video, you can subscribe and put notifications on. You can comment. You can like my video, and you can dislike my video if you like. I really don't mind. It happens all the time. But we're going to narrate another video now. And hopefully, we can stay awake and do it?
Yeah.
Actually, remember to talk?
Yeah, we'll start, yeah.
Okay.
Told you I can't help that. It's hypnotic when you see the process.
It is, it is. All right.
Take care, people.
Back to you, Connie.